Welcome to my channel dedicated to maritime education at Kazakh British Technical University in Kazakhstan. Today, we are going to discuss the topic of first aid toolkit on board. Factors such as limited access to medical facilities, isolation at sea, and the potential for injuries during various maritime activities highlight the necessity of having a comprehensive first aid kit on board. Let's explore the essential components of these tools. The foundation of any effective first aid response lies in having the right basic supplies. In your toolkit, you must include sterile dressings and bandages to staunch bleeding, adhesive bandages for minor cuts and abrasions, sterile gauze pads for wound coverage, medical tape to secure dressings in place, antiseptic wipes or solution for cleaning wounds, tweezers and scissors for precision in handling injuries, disposable gloves to protect both the patient and the caregiver. Proper wound care is also critical in preventing infections and promoting healing. Include in your toolkit the following things: hemostatic agents or clotting powder to control bleeding, a tourniquet for extreme cases of bleeding, hydrogel dressings specifically designed for burns, sterile eye wash solution for eye injuries, an irrigation syringe for thorough wound cleaning. A well-stocked first aid kit should also cater to common medical issues: pain relievers or painkillers for alleviating pain, seasickness medication to counter the challenges of the open sea, antihistamines for allergic reactions, anti-diarrheal medication for gastrointestinal distress, motion sickness bands for those susceptible to seasickness. Equip yourselves with the necessary tools to assess and address medical situations effectively. A face shield for safe and hygienic mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. A digital thermometer to monitor body temperature. A first aid manual or guide for quick reference in emergencies. A flashlight with extra batteries for visibility in low light conditions. A signal mirror for communication and signaling in emergencies. Consider the unique needs of your crew members and ensure you have the following specialized items: an EpiPen for crew members with severe allergies, prescription medications for chronic conditions, seasickness bags for those unfortunate bouts of nausea. A well-prepared first aid toolkit is your lifeline on the open sea. Regular training, familiarization with the contents, and periodic maintenance ensure that you are ready to respond effectively when the unexpected occurs. May your voyages be safe, and may your first aid toolkit serve as a reliable companion on your maritime journey. And now let's talk about your home assignment. Firstly, you should describe at least 5 essential tools or supplies that should be part of every first aid kit on board a ship or boat. Explain the purpose of each item and how it can be used in case of an emergency. Secondly, find a real-life case study related to a first aid situation on board a ship or boat. Thirdly, identify potential injuries or health issues that crew members might face while at sea. Provide step-by-step instructions on how to address and treat these issues using the resources available on board. The instructions should be presented in class.